When we schedule your door or window installation, you can count on our crews to show up on the date and time specified. When they arrive at your home, the first order of business is to lay down runners and tarps to protect your floors and carpet from foot traffic and debris. If they work around fixtures, furniture, and appliances, we protect those too. And at the end of each workday, we clean up and haul away all the trash so you can have your home back the way it was.
And we clean up, we finish, haul away, and then the next day we start fresh. And that's kind of unique for a lot of companies. We don't have to stage a job. So that if it rains for 2 weeks, something happens, their house isn't upside down. If we step in a room, we vacuum it. So, for instance, if it was your home and you had to go away for the day, if you came home, our guys had just left, your house would look like it was when you left in the morning. And your evening, your normal lifestyle in your home, it's very unobtrusive compared to other home improvement jobs.